I'm Becca with Zilla Corporation, and I'm here to tell you about our Zilla Zip Flashing. Here we have our Zilla Zip Flashing. To begin with, you'll want to take our Zilla Zip bolt, which fits any standard impact gun, and drive that straight into your rafter. Next, you will install a flat washer. Then you will take the flashing and you will install it up underneath the shingles. Lastly, we'll take our gland nut with a recessed washer and tighten that down over the zip bolt. Having a recessed washer does give you a metal-to-metal compression, never exposing that washer to the elements. Please check with your local AHJ or shingle manufacturer before starting any installations. To find out more details about the Zilla Zip Flashing, including installation documents, please visit our website at zillarack.com.